Hello dear students, welcome to the online education of class 7 science. So dear students, we have been discussing the exercise part of this lesson. So far I have covered the question answers, fill in the blanks of the exercise part. So let me discuss the last part of the lesson, exercise part of the lesson in today's class. Okay, so the last question is question number 10. So in this question we have to solve the following crossword puzzle with the clues given. So this is a kind of question which is called as crossword puzzle. So in the diagram you can see the crossword puzzle. Okay, so there are columns and rows. So here the white marked boxes should be filled by using a proper clues. The black ones are not supposed to be entered. Okay, they are just given. Okay, so only the black things cannot be entered, so whereas the white squares should be filled up, okay, by using the clues. So here these clues can be clues are given based on the across and down columns. Okay, so across means from left to right you have to fill up the columns. Down means from top to bottom you have to fill up the columns. So here, so how many lettered word is there, so that you have to count and you have to answer for the by using the clues also, and you have to write the answer whether it is across or down. So numbers are also given respectively. So let's start this. Okay, so first let us solve the across questions, means from left to right you have to go on filling serial number wise. Okay, so across first question, so plantation prevents it. Okay, so across means left to right. So where is that? That is question number 2 it is. Okay, so here it is there. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so 7 lettered word it is. So plantation prevents it. So what it prevents? So that is the answer is erosion. So look at it here. So the plantation of the trees, okay, prevents it. Which one it prevents? Plantation, it prevents the erosion. That we call we can add the word soil here behind. So here the space is only the limited is there, so the exact word is erosion. Okay, so you can say together soil erosion also, but here you when you are filling, so you have to write erosion. So erosion can be prevented by the plantation. Okay, so you got the answer for the question number 2 now. So now across question number 5 we shall go. Okay, so this is okay, from left to right you have to fill up. Use should be banned to avoid pollution. So use of something should be banned, so to in order to prevent or avoid soil pollution. So to prevent the soil pollution we have to ban this use of this material. So what material it could be? Yes, let us check the answer. So question number 5 is polythene. Okay, so POLITHENE, polythene bags or plastics, what we say, no. So polythene word must be filled in the question number 5 here from left to right. So POLYTHENE, polythene word is the one. So polythene bags should be banned to avoid the soil pollution. Because why? Because the polythene bag does not decompose even after 100 years. Okay, so that's why, so it is a non-degradable, so hence we must avoid using that. Okay, let's go for the question number 6 from left to right. Okay, it's a just 4 lettered word. Type of soil used for making pottery. So what kind of soil is used to make a pottery? Yes, so definitely it is clay, CLAY. So let us check the answer. See, CLAY, clay. Okay, so clay is the clay soil would be used to make the pottery. So last question in the across. Okay, 7th question, living organism in the soil. Yes, here you have to name the living organism in the soil. Okay, so which is the living organism found in the soil? Yes, definitely check out the number of squares over there. Okay, from left to right. So that is earthworm. Okay, earthworm is the living organism which is found in the soil. Okay, so EARTHWORM. So earthworm is found in the living organism which is found in the soil. It eats soil and removes it from its back. Okay, that would be used as a fertile soil. Okay, so now across it is completed. Now let's go for down. Okay, so it means top to bottom. Yes, question number 1. Let's check the answer. First let's see the question, then we'll go for the answer. Question number 1. In desert soil, erosion occurs through. So in desert conditions, soil erosion occurs through dash. Okay, it's a just four lettered word. So soil erosion usually occurs by which parameter? By which of the methods? By wind, by rain. Okay, so there are some many other reasons are there. Okay, so here the exact word is the soil erosion occurs in desert due to what? Wind. WIND. Yes, it's a right answer. WIND, wind is a right answer. Okay, now let's go for the question number 3. Okay, from top to bottom, let's see that clay and loam are suitable for cereals like. So in order to grow the cereals like dash so and so dash dash dash, so clay soil and loamy soil is much suitable. So which is that crop? Let us check that one. So that is a 5-lettered word, that is WHEAT, wheat. Okay, so let's check the answer. Yes, WHEAT, wheat is the proper crop cereal which can be grown in clay soil as well as loamy soil. Yes, let's go for the question number 4 now. This type of soil can hold very little amount of water. So this kind of soil can hold very little water, it can hold. Yes, which is that? Yes, that is SAND, sandy. Sandy. Sorry, it's a clay. Sorry, very sorry. Clay soil or clay soil. So that is question number 6. We have answered that one. So here the question number 4 we are discussing. Sorry, get confused here. 6th question is clay, that we have already discussed. Now down we are discussing question number 4. So which kind of soil can hold very little amount of water? See, we have to think of the particle size. See, the soil which has bigger particles, example is sandy soil. So there is a much space in between them, hence more amount of water cannot be held in this kind of soil. So the answer is sandy soil. SANDAY. Yes, you can check it out here. So sandy soil is the correct answer. Okay, last question, it is collective name for layers of soil. Okay, so that is collective names for the layers of the soil. So question number 5, you have to check out from top to bottom. So that is the collective name for the different layers of soil. Together we call it as collective name, that is what? Soil profile. Okay, we call it as profile. Okay, PROFILE, profile we say. Yes, by this you can check out here, profile, PROFILE. Yes, so by this we have completed the puzzle, and this is the end of the last question of the exercise. So dear students, let me stop here and let us go for the next lesson, new lesson in tomorrow's class. Thank you and have a nice day.